this video starts, I just want to go ahead and say thank you guys so much from Arrowzoom for giving me some of these acoustic foam panels. If you haven't noticed already, even more of the echo is definitely gone here. And yeah, this is super high quality, guys, like 100% super high quality. And honestly, these are the smallest ones that they actually had, and they actually have ones that are like way bigger than these, which you'll probably see here in a second. But as you can see, 4 of them will probably be one of the biggest ones. And also, I will say this right now, that it is not hard to install. All you need is the double-sided tape that you can buy that does not come with it. So you can buy spray or you can buy double-sided tape, and I highly recommend you buy the double-sided tape because it will not stick like really bad and leave like bits and pieces of the foam once you're done, kind of like the sprays I've seen. If you've actually seen any of the videos that they have of the mess behind, you won't have any of the mess with the double-sided tape at all. It is 100% amazing. It's a lifesaver. I've already changed this up like twice and you can't even tell on the back at all that I've even messed up at all. So I 100% fully support this company and things, because not because they send it to me, but this is actually very high quality, and I'm going to show you guys some of the other ones now. So guys, this is where you can see all of the different kinds of colorways that they have. They also have wedges. I actually got the diamond shaped ones, and as you can see, a lot of these, well actually all of these, are on sale right now. So if you want to get yourselves some acoustic foam for, you know, I guess man caves or just game rooms or anything along the lines of that, or even just for a cosmetic appeal, then definitely go ahead and copy some of this right now. I'm going to leave this in the description below. So again, shout out to Arrowzoom for this one. I greatly appreciate the fact that they sent me some of these, and I absolutely 100% love it. So thank you guys so much for Arrowzoom. Yo, so we are back like a week later of me using this foam and having it here, and I just want to go ahead and say that from what I said beforehand, I just wanted to add on a little bit more. And this is freaking cool, but at the same time, I know you guys can probably pick up, well, you probably hadn't picked on it the first, but now that I'm about to like point this out, you're probably gonna be like, I'll never unsee that again. But as you can see, there are like a couple of spots right here, and I don't think this is Arrowzoom's fault at all, really. I think it's just more the restoration part, and how I think like it just really didn't like it fully didn't like pretty much like regenerate back. And it's not their fault, and it's really not my fault. I think it's just the packaging, where it was like packaged really tight for so long. This is probably like the only negative I've actually got to say. But I mean, I get why it's packaged like that, but some corners and stuff like that usually won't restore. And like I said, I've had this for like about a week, maybe like a week or a little bit more now, I want to say, because I had to take like a 24-hour spot for actually I had to take about like 36 hours for some of these spots to actually still restore. So 24 hours is good. You can soak it in water as well too. I forgot to mention that, I think, but you can soak it in water as well, and it will help it a little bit more, which I did do. and it's still great. Like I said, it's still 100% amazing. This is not the best that this can actually look either, because I don't even have like studio lights yet on here. So if I had studio lights banging on this one, it would be a whole lot better. But I gotta go ahead and say, like Arrowzoom, it's absolutely amazing. Also, they are doing a huge sale right now. If you use code icjosh, having it down here as well, and also in the description, you can get yourself 10% off. And like I said, it is 100% worth it. So if you need it for man cave, if you just need it because you're a YouTuber or a streamer or anything along the lines of a musician, definitely pick this up, especially right now when it is on sale for the holidays. And it's going to be absolutely crazy. I'm pretty sure you're probably going to be able to probably cop a couple of this for like 29, actually with 10%. I mean, you might be like looking at around like 25, 26, somewhere, somewhere around it, depending on what you get, and also the packages that you get and types. Yeah, you could be looking at a good steal right here on this one. So again, use code AZICJudge to get yourself 10% off. Have an awesome day / night where you guys are at in the world. Thank you for watching, and I'm out. Peace.